We needed to be competitive in the market, and that meant building a building that would bring people here. We're almost a financial district because of the venture capitalists, the banks that are drawing here. And even though we're 20 miles away from downtown, we still are competitive with those rents.
We got the second building leased very quickly, really before, essentially most of it before it was even complete. And we'd like to attribute that to View Glass in part, and I think people love the design of these buildings, they love the location, and so that helped all of that together combined in getting it leased up quickly.
Everyone always likes to build their buildings so they have the views, and that's one of the big marketing tools or big marketing things that all leasing brokers use is the views. And right outside our window to the east are these beautiful, spectacular mountains. And so to sit in your office and to look at the mountains all day is phenomenal.
One of the things that we wanted to do to make it more appealing to the tenants was to not diminish these views. You have an extraordinary, beautiful view of the mountains without having to raise blinds or mess around with them. It just happens naturally, and our tenants seem to really love that.
Not having shades in the building just adds to that coolness factor in our building and feeling like you're outdoors. And right there, there's a hiking trail that I can go hike and just dream about all day.